Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the links you generate in HighLevel to match your own branding. All forms, surveys, calendar links, trigger links, short links and review links will no longer need to be sent through a HighLevel link but through your own brand instead. You can make this setting both in the subaccount under Settings, Business Profile, Branded Domain. And when we go to the agency account, you can do it under Settings, Company. Here it's called API domain and is located directly under the white label domain. The process is the same in both accounts. Here you will enter what's called a subdomain. Any word or letter dot your domain dot the ending .com, for example. In my case, we will use link.delving.de. Now click on Add Domain and then on Continue in the next window. Next, you will see a DNS record that you need to set up with your domain provider. Some providers might look a little different, but the process is very similar everywhere. Now I go to my domain provider, click on DNS next to the desired domain, go to the CNAME entries, enter the information I just received, subdomain or host name, domain is already there, and this brand ludicrous.cloud, and save everything. After that, I click on Verify Records, and within a few seconds to a few minutes, everything is set up and your outgoing links are now white labeled. Good luck with HighLevel and see you again.